Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to fix Google Play Store not downloading apps. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if apps are not being downloaded if you're using Google Play Store here, well, there are a few things that you may want to check. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and access your settings. So let's go and click on settings here. And inside settings, you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for apps. So you may need to scroll down a bit or quite a bit here. But if you do see the app section, go and select it. Now from here, you want to go and click on search apps and just type in the following. It's going to be Play Store or Google Play Store. Now it depends on your app. So it's going to just type in Google Play Store and see if it actually appears. So yeah, go and just look for Google Play Store. It's going to select this one. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on the force stop that you see at the bottom of your screen. Click on force stop, click on OK. Now once you've done that, you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear cache and go and click on OK. Now from then on, once you've done this, you want to go and restart your phone and you want to go open up Google Play Store and see if that actually helps. Now if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is instead of just clearing the cache here, you may want to also choose the clear all data. But keep in mind, this may delete certain data on the Google Play Store, especially if you are logged in. So sometimes they may log you out, so you may need to re-log in again. So you can also delete all the data here. And once you've done that, you go and restart your phone again and open up Google Play Store and see if that helps. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.